Hey traders, a quick one here on nat gas, gold, silver and crude oil. Starting with natural gas, and right here what do we have? So prices now inside the area of value, inside the level of trend continuation zone bullish. Like I mentioned yesterday that the price will turn completely bearish once we are completely broken below this area of value, but for now we are still above 50 EMA, but that doesn't stop me to take my sell trades with pullbacks. So I won't be taking the big pullbacks for my sell trade, but if I get a condition, as now we are below 50 and 20 EMA, we have a good momentum below 50 and 20 EMA, we have few red candles. So for now I'm expecting some pullback from here, and we might get a retest of 50 EMA. If that happens, and if we have a reason like bearish engulfing pattern, in that case I will go for a little scalp for my sell trade till I see some sort of bullish condition within this area of value like bullish engulfing pattern. So we still do not have any bullish signal, but I'll now look for my bearish trades with the pullbacks if we get a signal like bearish engulfing pattern. In that case I will go for a little scalp or short, and we might get a double bottom within this area of value to take another long trade. So that is what I'm looking at. No conditions yet. All I'm looking at either a pullback followed by bearish engulfer for my sell trades, or if we have a push down with a nice bullish engulfing pattern, the candle that fully engulfs the previous candle including the wick, that is what I want to see as a strong bullish signal. For now I'm just looking for conditions. Here on capital.com exactly the same, we can expect a possible pullback, and if you have a bearish engulfer, in that case I will go for a little sell trade, and the ATR will be my target. 1 ATR is my initial target to take a little scalp out of the market, as now like I mentioned the price is now still ranging. I'll be looking at range trades within this zone. Once we have a condition, we are good to go for our trades. For now just look for conditions like a pullback followed by bearish engulfer, or if we have a good condition like bullish engulfing pattern within this zone, in that case I will go for my long trade. For now we have no buy condition, no buy confirmation, but I will be looking for short-term sell trades. Right here on EMX is about to hit the level of trend continuation zone. Right here 2.959 goes to 3.042, from where I'll be looking to enter my buy trades with bullish engulfers or my double bottom entry condition. For now just look for pullbacks followed by bearish engulfer till the price hit the zone below to take your long trades. For now just looking for conditions. Once I have my conditions, I'm going to take my trade. For now we are just bullish in an uptrend. All we are looking at pullbacks, sell opportunities if we get one. Otherwise keep an eye out for your conditions for your long trade on all three platforms. And if there is no condition within the zone, if there is no entry pattern on either of the platforms, in that case I will not take my entry. I'll keep on looking for my sell trades if we have condition for that. For buy trades, want to see a very good bullish engulfing pattern. Let me show you an example of that. A pattern something like this that engulfs the previous candle including the wick as well. Previous candle must be a red candle, and if you see here right there a nice bullish engulfer, I want to see some sort of condition within this zone to take another long trades. If there is no condition, I won't be taking any buy trades. For now we are below 50 and 20 EMA, we can expect a possible pullback followed by bearish candle to take another short trade. Next one we have gold. Gold is now inside a trend continuation zone bullish. Now at this point if you look here, it is not one of my valid patterns, so I won't be taking this as my entries. This can be just a pullback, and then we can get a possible push down again out of gold. We do not have any condition, but we are still intact within the zone. I'll start to look for my sell trades once the price completely break and close below 1965.65. Once that happens with a good momentum, we can use this zone as our trend continuation zone to take our bearish trade with bearish engulfers or double top entry pattern for less aggressive trader. For now I'm waiting and see how the price action closes. If closes below, in that case we are completely bearish and we can fall to the next level of support, which I'm going to mention in my next video. If not, if you have a dramatic push up, in that case I'll start to look for my buy trades only. For now not taking any entries on gold. We are still inside, and the consolidation. Break below will be a fall, and break above will be the hit of the next level of resistance, which is 20.35.20. that goes up to 20.53, from where we can look for our sell condition. For now I'm just waiting for the complete breakout above and below out of the consolidation to take my next trades. Exactly same on silver. We are still within this area, and now I just want to see a breakout to take my sell trades above for buy trades. We have no condition for silver. We are still ranging sideways, and I'm only paying attention to the zone above, which is 24.26 goes to 24.70, from where I want to look for my sell condition. If we have a dramatic push up, if broke below, start to look for a next level of support to take my next buy trade, and start to look for my sell condition if we are completely broken below this consolidation. So finally crude oil has now broken below the levels. Now I will use this level as my trend continuation zone. And the way you can calculate your pullback with the Fibonacci tool from the low till this zone, and if you are an aggressive trader, all you want to see a pullback to 50% retracement. That is how I personally take my trades for aggressive entries with the pullback, and set my sell limit order and go 1 ATR which is around $1 for my initial targets, and then I manage it till 1.618 retracement. So this is something for aggressive traders. But if you are not an aggressive trader, you can either look for a pullback of few green candles followed by bearish engulfer, and that is your entry. Bearish candle that engulfs the previous candle. If that happens, we have a less aggressive entry. Or you can use the zone which is just recently broken, 82.11, goes up to 84.05, from where I want to see a bearish engulfers or my double top condition. All these are my sell conditions. So I'm just looking for sell condition. Now as we are broken below, the price is pushing lower, and if head lower, we have a good level of support which is 71.95, goes up to 74.02, from where we will enter our buy trades with conditions like bullish engulfers or double bottom entry conditions. So keep an eye here, look for the condition I've just mentioned. So that's it for commodities, guys. Any questions, any confusions, you can always email me at support@moneymarkets.net. I'll get back to ASAP. Hope you trade green rest of the week. See you guys in the next video. Till then, take care.